Hi everyone! So today I'm going to talk about hormone replacement therapy.
Is it good or bad? All about hormone replacement therapy.
But let me tell you a bit about all these hormones. A lot of women like to clump all the hormones together as the same thing. When we say we are giving you hormones, I heard that hormones is no good. But actually, please, we know that in a human body, we have many different hormones. We have many different hormones for different function. When we talk about hormone replacement therapy, we are only talking about estrogen and progesterone. Only two hormones. No, not all hormones are no good. Hormones are actually not always no good. It's just that you must know when is it good and when is it not good. So what happened is that this whole thing about menopause, you must understand, women are supposed to menopause at a certain age, average 52. Consider healthy age of menopause. Healthy age of menopause, this is something women have to go through, and we have to learn. I always tell women, you have to accept it that you have menopause, because a lot of women are very scared of menopause. Why are they scared? Because menopause is linked to aging, so they're actually very scared of aging, looking older. They are very scared of their body turning old. A lot of women just try their very best to keep young, keep beautiful, and also to stay healthy as long as they can. So when menopause comes in, and then a lot of women see the changes after their menopause, they actually age a lot faster. And as a result of that, women being women, they always want to stay young. They always find ways to stay young. So that is why this hormone came into existence. Not all women menopause at 52. You can menopause at 22, at 32, at 42. Can you imagine if you menopause at 32, and that would be a bit too early, and you're going to age a lot faster from 32 onwards. So if you're going to age so fast from 32 onwards, then what's going to happen? You're going to age so fast. It's not just physical, but also mentally, physically, and all the illnesses that is related to old age will come earlier. Then very soon, when people are in their 60s, they are still very much mobile. Only when they're 80s, they find it difficult to walk. If you're going to menopause at the age of 32, you may end up having difficulty to walk 20 years earlier. And that is something we don't want. You see, the word is hormone replacement therapy. We are replacing back what you should have when you are 32. That is why we have hormone replacement therapy. It's meant for people to take when they're 32 or 42. Not meant for people to take when they're 52. So when you menopause in your 50s, you're not supposed to take hormone replacement therapy. But women being women, they want to stay young. They want to stay beautiful. So when you give them something to stay young and stay beautiful, they will definitely take it. The big thing that came in was breast cancer. A lot of breast cancer that's not supposed to be there. Say if you menopause in your late 40s, not too bad. You just age 5 years faster, that's all. Not too bad. But if you imagine if you menopause when you're in your 30s or 20s, that is very bad, because you're going to age too early. That age you're supposed to be still very productive to the nation. You're supposed to be still climbing your ladder up in your career. You are supposed to be a mother taking care of young kids. We cannot let you age so fast. That is why we have hormone replacement therapy for these people. And these people, when they take hormone replacement therapy, they don't find it a problem. Why? Because why they don't find it a problem with cancer? Why? Because when you age early, you get a lot of old people's disease, right? If you menopause late, let's say you're still having your menses in your 60s and 70s, you will have more cancer. You will have more cancer because breast cancer, uterus cancer, ovary cancer is very hormone related. It doesn't matter whether the hormone you swallow or the hormone is from your own body produce the hormone. So you see, if you don't menopause in your 50s or 60s, your body is still going to produce hormone. And this hormone is still going to make you get breast cancer and ovarian cancer and uterus cancer. So you understand this whole thing. If you have hormones all the way you're still going to get cancer, because we know one thing, all this cancer is cancer of the younger age. We don't see so much in your 60s and 70s, because in 60s and 70s most of women are already menopause. So I hope you understand. But same thing, if you menopause too early, then the old age disease is going to come. So we are trying to help women so that they don't age so fast. That is why we have hormone replacement therapy. So that's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.